So yeah, as this thing is used, line number 345 has got single inverted commas which we have written in double. It doesn't matter, right? The angular
No,
dot
it
core
doesn't matter.
auth dot service. Sorry.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You can
So
use
yeah,
single.
because it's all still the injectables, and it's the only injectable is showing as in red color.
No, no, it's not complete. There is more to it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So after this, one more object we have to create. Router of type.
Constructor.
Okay, and then of course you have to import this router from Angular router. So here, import. Just look where I'm importing so that you remember that this is where you have to import. Where you have imported can activate. Everything is from Angular router.
So one more thing we added as router over there.
Yes.
Uh, just a thing, I had one question. Do we have concept of closures in here?
No, we're not using closures in here.
Free router. Yes. Done.
Okay. Now inside this can activate, wait, do one thing. Add this constructor before can activate. Okay. We will be using this in can activate. Inside the can activate function,
Okay.
we are going to use the is authenticated function to check whether the user is logged in or not. So return this
inside can activate, we have one more can activate. So the second one is for,
So there is only one can activate function. This is a class.
this is a class, and down line number 14, that is a function.
Yes.
C, small is C small.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So okay. So 16 till 19 we have to write now, right? Line
Yes.
number 16. Boolean return this dot out service. It's pretty difficult. It's done this dot service. Then else. Yeah, so 22nd. Can you scroll a bit, ma'am? Down? Is that the last line, line number 22?
No, no, after that there is one.
There is one curly braces which is completed, right?
Yes, that's.
I'm not able to see your screen
You're not able to
fully.
see my screen? Line number 23 is the last line.
22nd is the last line, you can say.
23rd, 23rd.
23rd. Okay, 23rd is the last line. Okay. Okay, so that is perfect. Then is authenticated, then return. This dot service is authenticated. Then okay, authenticated boolean. Okay. Okay. Yeah, done from my side.
Okay.
3.
Done.
Okay. So now in app.module.ts,
App.module.ts. Yes.
where whichever router you want to save, as in protect, there you add can activate. Like for example, I want to add it to users, or let's say to
Okay.
servers. So to servers, I will write can activate card. Okay, and then of course we need to import this.
So after servers, we have to write can activate. Can I would like to show this thing.
Wait, it's not complete.
We can activate. God. Yeah, done. Done, ma'am.
Done.
So
Yeah.
now, whenever we add service, what
Is
we,
there
if you
some
remember,
disturbance of?
just a minute, there's a airplane call. Yeah, so whenever we add a new service to our project, what do? We add it in the providers, right? So here also, we will add both the services, auth service as well as auth card. And then auth service has to be imported. Yeah. Do this.
Uh, so I have to import it in import auth from auth dot service. We have to write in providers as well, right?
Yes.
Can you please go to providers section? Providers, auth service and auth card. Card. Okay. And where else we have to mention it, ma'am? In providers and
That's it.
okay. Okay. So
Now is it
first service
compiling
we
without an error?
no, it has two errors. When can active is underline and from auth guard is red. Can we show now?
Yeah.
Okay, please. Okay, here is an
Put comma
error.
after service.
So you've
Before
written
can
form. You've written form, not from.
Oh. Okay, perfect.
and
Go
before
to
can activate put comma.
Yeah.
s- sorry, expected a comma
Yeah,
after
just put,
can act.
no, before. Before can activate, you have to
After
put a
service.
comma.
Okay, okay, yeah, that's done. There's nothing then.
Now you can go to your web browser.
Okay.
There is a tab open for that.
Huh. Oh,
Same
okay, so,
for me too.
uh,
Return outside a function. Okay. Can you go back to your auth card?
uh,
No, sorry,
auth card.
auth.service. Auth.service. I think we.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. This return promise has to be written. Okay, it's my fault. Just a minute. I'll share my screen.
Before the this thing.
Yeah. This has to be written inside.
Just one step above.
Yes. Now try.
No, still there are resolved promise and logout login. Can I share? Yeah, resolved. Cannot find him resolved. Did you mean
No,
resolve? Is
it's
there something
resolved. It's not resolved. It's resolved.
resolve? Okay, yeah.
Promise is
Is
capital
there?
P.
Okay. This one. Uh, this one, ma'am.
Yeah.
Cannot find name logout. Something that missing upstairs. That I'm something missing.
Okay, do one thing. Cut that login logout from there.
Yes.
Cut it from there
Yes.
and add it after return promise. Like after, no, after the where you've closed the function.
This one.
Yeah, add it there. No, not there. After it. Not there, not there.
After this one.
Yes, there.
Okay.
Yeah. Now go to your web browser.
Okay. Still there is something that is missing, ma'am. Auth card. Dot service
No.
dot key.
Wait.
For me it's working.
Yeah. You've made some spelling mistakes. Scroll down, please. Injectable. Okay. Go to your auth card. It is injectable you have imported from router. Injectable is imported from Angular core. Auth card service. Auth guard service.
Auth guard service. Injectable is from Angular core.
Core, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Now click on servers.
Servers. Yes.
But it's not taking you to the servers, it's taking you to home.
Okay. Because it is guarded.
Earlier it was taking you to servers, but now it's taking you to home.
Okay.
That's because it's guarded. It will never take you to servers now.
Okay. Unless and until we do something, or
Unless and until you write a piece of code where you're calling login.
okay. So this would be restricted for the people who are logged in.
Yes. No, for people who are not logged in.
Okay. Okay. So no. When they are logged in, they would able to see.
Then they can see, yes.
Okay. So okay. It's like a password or authentication provided to a form or something, or a website, or the particular user.
Correct. So this is how you can do that.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So this was all about routing. I understand that it would be overwhelming right now. There was a lot of code that we wrote. So I wanted to go through it.
Okay.
Okay.
And try to understand line by line. Next class, which is tomorrow, if there is any doubt about anything, we can rediscuss it.
Yeah, surely. Surely.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
So just
So
go through the entire session. Yeah.
in short, we have written a service for authentication inside auth.service. Is that correct?
Yes.
So we are
Now
using that service by the name auth service,
correct.
and we are calling it inside
Auth
here
guard.
auth guard.
Inside can activate, and this can activate function is then used in our router in app module.ts.
Module.ts. Okay, which makes it available for our component servers.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Cool.
just go through it once, and if you have any
Sure.
doubts, we'll discuss it tomorrow.
Okay.
Sure. Where it can be used for a particular login user or a user
Yeah,
which we
if you want to restrict some action only to the logged in user, you don't want the users which are not logged in to see it, then you use it.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Definitely. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank
Yeah.
you.
We'll
Bye.
wrap up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.